Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Beadlot. In this video, I will be making these pumpkin-inspired orange beaded earrings. You will need the following materials to create this style: 35mm gold rings, 8mm hematite beads, earring studs, ball head pins, some chain, moon charms, 6mm rondelle beads, and 26 gauge wire. Let's begin with our 35mm gold ring and 120 centimeters of 26 gauge wire. Start wrapping the wire around the ring, over and under 3 times. Make sure it's nice and tight, since this will be your starting point. Now we are ready to add our first bead. Add your first bead. Adjust the wire to make sure the bead is snug against the starting point. Begin your first wrap around the ring. Wrap the wire around the second time nice and tight. Once again, wrap the wire around a third time. Once it's nice and secure, you can add your second bead. Adjust the wire to make sure the bead is snug against the first bead. Wrap your wire around the ring 3 times. Over and under 3 times before adding the next orange bead. Continue this process all the way around the ring. Wrap the wire 3 times over and under the ring. Make sure it's nice and tight. Finish the ring by adding the last bead to the ring, but leave enough space so you can add one more orange bead. Now we will need to be adding our charms to the middle of this section. Let's make the charms first though. Take 5 links length of chain. We will be attaching our beads and charms to this. Grab your ball head pin and add your orange bead. Begin creating a wire loop. Take your flat nose pliers and start wrapping the wire around to secure the wire loop. Cut excess wire. Now you will need to make 5 of these. Add your wire looped beads and charms to the chain. Now it is ready to be added to your wire wrapped hoop. Slide it down the wire and wrap the wire 3 times around the ring once again to secure your charm. Combine these 2 wires and add your orange bead. Add 1 8mm hematite bead and add your last orange bead. Take your round nose pliers and begin creating a wire loop. But before you close it, add your earring stud. Now you are ready to close your wire loop. Wrap the wire around 4 or 5 times in order to secure your earrings. Cut any excess wire with your wire cutters. And that's it, your pumpkin-shaped beaded earrings are ready, just in time for the fall season. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video, and thank you for watching.